Hey guys, this is a video series related to CanvasFX basics. In these videos we will walk through all parts of the project, learn how to operate it and achieve the main goal, creating the overlay you are looking for. In this video we will talk about overlay creation process, so let's begin. Open the CanvasFX app, then choose the effect of your choice, play with its settings and press export. After some time, CanvasFX will create media that can be used and overlay in your video editing tool of choice. In my case it's CapCut. I drag this media into the project and place it on layer above my main video. And that's it. You've created an overlay effect for your project. That's it for this video. I hope it helped fill some knowledge gaps. For more information or new overlay packs, visit our Patreon page. There you will find weekly overlay effects, project updates, Q&A and more. Stay tuned.